In this video, I'm going to show you how to add story highlights on Facebook. For some reason, you want to highlight your story on your profile after 24 hours. This is pretty simple and easy. And this feature is both on your Android and iPhone. If you're an Android user, navigate to your Play Store. In the search engine, type Facebook and make sure your Facebook app is up to date. From there, proceed to open. To create a new story, you can just click on this plus icon and you can proceed to select the image you want to select as your story. In this case, I want to select this one. After that, we can proceed to share to our story. In order to make this story stay on my timeline after 24 hours, I can just proceed to click on my profile icon here. Then scroll down a bit and make sure I navigate on the About section. Then I can proceed to scroll down till I read this menu featured, and the featured I could see the plus icon here. I can proceed to click on this plus icon. So this is the list of all my images on my phone. When I scroll down, this is the list of all the stories I've shared before, and these are all expired. So in order to highlight any, I can just select the ones that I want to highlight. You can select multiple ones. Of course, in this case, I'm interested in the first one alone. So I could just select the first one and then proceed to click on next. Then I can give this story a title. In my case, I'm interested in naming it motivation. After that, I can proceed to click on done, then proceed to click on save. So this story has now been highlighted on my Facebook timeline. So after 24 hours and it has expired, the story will still be highlighted here. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time, consider hitting the like and share it to your family and friends. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. To see many content like this, consider hitting the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.